2022 Forge project, and the most ambitious project for Lisi. It consists of transferring all the activities of Forges to Bologna in a new building located in Chaumont, about 10 kilometers from the current site. As for VDR, this will be done in 2 stages, with a first part which will be delivered in July 2022 and a second part to be defined. This first phase covers an area of 24,000 square meters on a plot of 100,000 square meters. We have implemented the most recent technologies such as the recovery of rainwater be autonomous at the production level, heat recovery on our machines to heat buildings without additional heating, latest generation air conditioning, ventilation, heating and lighting, installation of solar panels in the parking lot, and the use of green gas produced nearby. This project was carried out entirely using BIM building information modeling piloted by Mr. Yoan Chain, our construction project manager. The BIM building information modeling is a revolution for building trades but also for industry. Indeed, the BIM is a digital model of the building with attached data. Every door, every electric sheath, every wall, and so therefore all that will be built are in the digital model with its own technical data. With this new technology we can simulate structure, lighting and heat calculations, manage the life of the building, etc. This is the meeting between the architect and the engineer. Collaborative work is a significant asset and helps increase productivity. For the F2022 project, we have taken a step further. We have inserted our industrial process inside the BIM. Machines have been scanned with a specific equipment, then they have been modeled and implanted in the digital model. The workflow allows us to visualize clash between the building and the process. We can solve problems before that they appear. To implement this methodology, we have used all the new existing technologies. The BIM with Autodesk Collection, the virtual reality with Enscape, the augmented and mixed reality with Next BIM, holograms, process and organization flow simulation, and IoT. We have combined them together to create the FIM, Factory Information Modeling. In conclusion, BIM is only a small part of FIM, which itself is only a part of Industry 4.0 piloted by Ms. Batul Karahan, mechatronic engineer. Lisi promotes its factories to implement the latest technologies to move them towards Industry 4.0. As part of the Forge 2022 project, the new Lisi aerospace building in Chaumont will have the latest IT infrastructure technologies. The Wi-Fi 6 will be installed, which will increase the speed by 40% compared to the current Wi-Fi. This new generation of Wi-Fi, more intelligent, offers better connectivity performance. 4 times more devices connected. The first 4.0 tool that is used for the Forge 2022 project is the MES. MES stands for Manufacturing Execution Systems and is a real-time production control software. The MES allows us to retrieve data from all industrial machines and software. We need to integrate the automation of the production, thanks to IoT sensors and integration systems. With this software, we have an exact vision of what happens in the workshops, such as the reference of the parts manufactured by machine, the state of the machines, or the process data such as temperature, thickness, speed, etc. For the so-called non-intelligent data, the operator will be able to enter the data. Thus, there will be no loss of know-how. By recovering all the data from the machines, we constitute all the data in a single database, which allows us to have big data. Other tools linked to the BMS CTM are being put in place for the Forge 2022 project. We will have the latest version of video surveillance software. In real time, we will be able to control our cameras to see what is happening in the field and in the building. We will be able to control equipment with the software, such as the barrier at the entrance to the building or the building's lighting. We will have data from the building that will come back thanks to the IoT sensors. Another technology that is implemented for the Forge 2022 project will be explained by Alexis Berthel, who is an apprentice engineer. A logistic train in Forge 2022 will increase organization flow. The operation consists of rolling own packaging throughout the manufacturing process. This project will eliminate thermal transport, which does not comply with Lisi's environmental requirements. A simulation allows us to understand and optimize all phases of production and identify potential problems. In conclusion, a big thank you to my team, Batul, Yohan and Alexis for having designed and built the factory of the future, and also to the Bologna teams for their participation despite the daily workload.